Hello everybody. Welcome to the tutorial on how to get your paper into APA style. Whenever it comes down to you don't have anything left, at least you've got the ability to write an APA paper. So that's going to be what we're going to accomplish today in this quick little tutorial. You go to the the OWL at Purdue. That's what you type in the search bar, and it gets you up on this site. And then you go to the APA link, APA style link, and it's going to take you right over here to this APA style workshop. That's going to give you just some facts and tricks about how to get your paper into APA style. Then, after you've read through that stuff and got some basic facts on it, I know you've written APA papers before. I'm not treating you like a dummy. I know you've done this, but I'm just saying that this website is extremely helpful for getting you up to snuff on that stuff. Then what I do is I go to sample paper. And when you go to sample paper, you end up finding out for you what's going to work in terms of something to look at. So you get over here, and then I'm going to make the screen a little bit bigger so we can see this thing, how cool it is. And just be patient with me for 1 second. There we go. Now, see, it's got all these notes. First thing in your APA paper is the title page, which starts out with a running head at the top. The running head is all in caps on the first page, and it's got a page number. So word running head in lowercase, and then the running head itself in all caps, then the title of the paper, and then the author, which is you, and then the University of North Georgia, which is your affiliation. You won't have an author's note on it, so you don't need to worry about that. And then we're going down to the next page, and the next page is going to take you over here to the abstract. The second page is the abstract. Every APA paper has an abstract, so be sure you make use of that thing. But the thing about that is the abstract is the last thing that you write. So don't, even though it's the second page, wait until the paper is finished until you write the abstract. Here's your running head up here without the words running head on it. There's the word abstract, and here comes your abstract. It's a summary of your paper that you wait until you've written your last word of the paper and then write the abstract. Now you come over, you got the third page, which is the running head on top with the title, and then the paper starts. I typically put the word introduction centered and title cased for the so that you can have your intro. Then the second section of your paper is going to be your literature review, and then the third section of your paper will probably be summary and conclusions. You might have subsections in there. APA style insists that you do that in a certain way. There's a discussion. The discussion of this paper has subsections which must be formatted correctly. So when you are looking at the sample paper, be sure to be attentive to how the sections and subsections are formatted. They call it serration, and there's the more subsections of it. And then you come down here to your reference list when you're at the bottom of the page, and those are your references, and those have to be formatted in a very specific way, a hanging indent here, and Zotero will help you do that, so you don't have to do any real work on that at all other than plug it into Zotero and let them spit out your references in APA style. And they'll also spit out your in-text references, so be sure to use that trick so you don't have to have them, number one, be out of regs, and number two, spend a lot of time on it. So give me a call if you have any questions about this tutorial or anything that's going on in class. And thank you for tuning in to the D2L network and watching the Batch YouTube video. Thanks again. See you later.